Hi, this is Mr. Cowan here. Today we are going to be considering information we might want to share online, as well as information we might want to keep private online. So to do that, we are going to be using the app Keynote, this one here. We're going to create a new presentation. You're also going to need to have taken a picture to use within Keynote. I'll show you what I mean once we get into it. So we just want a blank slide. So if we tap on that, we can delete it. Tap on this, we can delete it. Now you've got a blank slide. First thing you want to do is add a picture of yourself. So click on the plus, then photo or video, all photos, and I've got a picture here. That will do nicely. If I go into the paintbrush one, I can turn down the opacity to make it a little bit see-through. And what I'm going to do is draw an outline of myself. So again, click on the plus, choose drawing, and now I'm drawing here. Undo that. I can also zoom in to make it nice and neat. I'm going to try and do this quickly, but obviously you should try and do it as neatly as you can. Now when you do your outline, you need to make sure that there are no gaps, otherwise the next step won't work. And it also means that we've got to draw a line at the bottom to close off your legs. It'll hopefully make sense in just a moment. Right, this is not particularly neat, and again, like I said, you should do as neat as you can. You can also use the eraser if bits are looking really rubbish. Get that drawn in. Okay, and then once you have done your outline, ensuring there's no missing pieces, you can do the fill, and if you do that, hit done. Now I can tap back onto my photograph. I'm going to delete that, so I'm left with this outline. So I'm going to move the outline down here so it looks a little bit better, make it a bit bigger. Got kind of lopsided ear there. Right, so that is the idea that you want to create. So the next step is we are going to be thinking about what information we may want to share online, as well as information we might want to keep private. So things that you're happy to share online, you can write outside of your silhouette. So for example, I'm going to click plus, click onto this square and circle one, choose text. Got a text box here. I'm going to move it up here and double tap to get into the editing. I like watching basketball, so that's something I'm quite happy to share online, tell my friends about, post interesting basketball videos and stuff. So I'm just going to type that in. Okay, you can also add pictures if you like. Clicking on this one here, photo or video. I like eating different kinds of fruit. This is one I had in my holidays. Now, obviously a bit too big, shrink it down. This is called jackfruit. It tastes like juicy fruit chewing gum. Really, really nice. So you can obviously have pictures as well. And then inside the silhouette is where I want you to add things that you might not want to share online. Pick some text, double tap, bank, details. Get rid of that. Okay, I can't see it. So what we need to do to resolve that is, again, add in some text. If you go into the paintbrush option, you can then change the text color. And if we choose white, you can obviously see it now. So double tap, bank, details. Okay, so you need to brainstorm some ideas, think about stuff that you're happy to share online, put that outside the silhouette. Stuff that you want to keep private, put it inside the silhouette. There might be some stuff that you're happy to share with some people, but you want to keep kind of private, you don't want to share with the whole world. So in that case, you could put kind of half in the silhouette, half out of the silhouette. I'll just show you what I mean. Well, it's pretty obvious what I mean. But for example, if I want to join a WhatsApp group with my friends, quite happy to tell my friends my phone number, but maybe don't want to tell the whole world. So I'll maybe choose a different color. Let's go for yellow. Double tap. Phone number. Okay, and I can just move this one down to here. So kind of private, but also a little bit public. Otherwise, I won't be able to join any WhatsApp groups. And then once you've completed your kind of graphic, click on the three dots, choose export, choose images, and then JPEG high quality, export, and choose save image. And then when you come out of Keynote, and if you then go into your photos on your iPad, you should hopefully see you've got your image there, and then you'll be able to share it with your teacher, get it up on the blackboard and such like. You'd also put your name on it just to make sure everyone knows it's you. And that's what we're trying to achieve today.